Welcome to the RadioCity Tower here in Liverpool city centre, and we're on the move. It's a very windy day at the top of the tower today, 450 foot up here. There's the view over Liverpool, and you may be able to hear the wind in the background. The tower actually is moving. It's swaying from side to side, and I don't know whether you can really see or tell that from the video, but it really is, it feels like you're on board a ship. So there's the view from the top. There's the River Mersey, obviously, and as you walk, there's the Radio City studio on there. As you walk, you can really feel the sway of the building. So a trip up to the tower here today, not recommended for those who A, don't like heights, or B, get seasick easily. See you soon.